So guys, I'm just editing the video from yesterday and I'm not sure what's happened, but all of the pictures have come out blurry and it's like, I don't know, it's like the camera was broke or something. But either way, I still hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the video. What's up guys? So I'm back at work again today for the chevette project. I'm not sure what I'm going to get done today. I want to try and get quite a bit done while I can. Just waiting for somebody to come and open up now so I can start working. But hopefully the turrets will go in today and some other little bits here and there. Right, so I'm about to start working, but we've got music on next door, so I'm going to have to mute the clips because it's all copyrighted. So I won't be talking, I'll just be working and you'll see all of the clips. I'll talk a little bit later when we turn the music off or something. I'll talk you through everything that I've done through the day, but for now, just watch. I've got the GoPros off and I've got the GoPro with me, so I'll stick the GoPro on, have this set up on a tripod and just let it be what it is. So yeah, let's get to work.
Got off the wires when I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. It's just fired.
The reinforcers are in. I'm just doing the end plates and I've got to do the whole thing for the front.
I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you'll be down. Yeah, I see you go 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 down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. shots fired.
Yeah, it's got kind of dark, but I've been informed there's a seat that I can try my Chevette that I can potentially have for the Chevette, and it's a pretty awesome one, to be fair. It's this one, if you can see that. Probably can't see that. Nope, you can't see anything. Oh well, I'll get it out so you can see it. Look what's in the car. Potential seats, maybe.